Hey guys, welcome to another video on our channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Redmi Note 5. And yes, I know I promised on Instagram that I'll buy the Redmi Note 5 Pro, but that was not available and out of stock. So I need to buy this because two-up recovery and many other custom ROMs are available, and I applied for unlocking too. So yeah, I will just unlock it and also make a different video on the unlocking and on TWRP recovery, installing and all of the other stuff. So if you want to unlock your Redmi Note 5 or your Redmi 5 Plus, whichever, if you're living in China or India or any other region, it depends if it's a Redmi Note 5 or the Redmi 5 Plus. Or if you want to install custom ROMs, or if you want to unlock your bootloader, just subscribe to this channel now. And I'll start with the quick unboxing that I'm going to present to you guys. This is the first time I'm doing a face off. So if you face, if you want to tell me any issues about the audio quality, video quality, just report down in the comment section. And now let's start about the unboxing. Let's start. Guys, let's start unboxing the device, and the seal is broken because the employee already unboxed it. Not unboxed it, just removed the seal and showed me the device. So at first we get a TPU case, and good Xiaomi starting giving the TPU case with the phone itself, and we get the Redmi Note 5. Yes, I already peeled off this cover, and then again I'm waiting for here. And we get this manuals and the warranty and all of the stuff which we don't need. And here is the micro USB cable, and I don't know why Xiaomi is still with the micro USB cable, but see, let's see if it charges fast. I will do a separate fast charging test too. And we also get a SIM ejector pin. Yeah, that's a too long pin. Why this is like this? Okay, let's now remove that charger, the adapter, which is also not a fast charger adapter. It is a 5 volt and 2 ampere. I can get 5 volt at 2 ampere, so this is not a fast charging adapter. And now let's remove the boxes side. Let's remove all this, and I also have one more box. You can guess this is another adapter which is a 9 volt 2 ampere, and it charges the device fastly, not that much fast, but you can save an extra 20-30 minutes. This is a 9 volt 2 ampere adapter. You can see it's a 9 volt 2 ampere, 5 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 1.5 ampere. So this is a fast charger, and I will also do a fast charging test, like in how many minutes it gets charged, like in hours. So let's peel off the screen, and I was waiting for this. Wow, this shine! I was waiting for this shine, and let's do a boot. I have already booted this device and set up it because I want to apply it for the unlocking, so that's why it will boot faster now. So guys, this is the device, and yes, let's do a quick fingerprint test too, because let's do, as the device is unlocked only. Let's increase the brightness first, and yes, the fingerprint is faster. Not faster than the OnePlus 5T, but faster than in older devices, and it's snappy. Okay, that's it for this unboxing and video, and also wanted to show you this TPU case. So with the black color we get this blackish like TPU case, and it fits well too in our hands. Looks good. So thank you Xiaomi for providing me a TPU case, and all of the other Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro users. And that's it guys for the unboxing, and yeah, I will be discussing now the future videos which I'll be making on it. And yes, the TWRP with the both Red Wolf and the regular TWRP is available for this device, and I've also applied it for unlocking. So now I'll unlock the bootloader. Let's see how many days it will take. Like the Xiaomi's new policy, it will take 15 days, or it will get in 1 day also. It's my luck. I will depend on my luck. So let's see, and I'll be making videos on the TWRP recovery custom ROM soon. So if you have interest in that, you can just subscribe, and also you can subscribe for future videos about the Redmi Note 5, which I'll be making about some camera samples and some normal things. So that's it guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, like, dislike, subscribe, and bye bye. I'll see you guys in the next one. Is